Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can save TikTok videos without posting. So if you want to save your TikTok video to your gallery without posting it, you can just watch this video for step-by-step guide, and I'll show you how you can easily download it directly to your phone. So the first thing that you need to do is create the videos that you want. You can open the TikTok application, and in here to start creating a video, you can now just click on this plus icon at the bottom, this one, and then you can just choose if you want to only take a photo, or you can choose a specific durations for your videos. For example, I'm going to just record a short video as an example. Here you can just click on this check icon. Okay, so now when you want to save the video, in the past, if you want to save it, you can just click on this drop down, and at the very bottom there will be save options. But as you guys can see, there's no save options on the right panel. So in a new TikTok update, if you want to save it without posting it, here you can click on this arrow icon or this share icon at the top, and there will be these two options. You can save with watermark, on post to save without watermark. So let's try the first one. In here, the first option, I'm going to also try the second option later. Let's just click on this saving with watermark. You can just wait until the video is downloaded to your gallery. Okay, so now it's done. Let's just open the gallery in here, this one's right here. So as you guys can see, the video has successfully saved, but there will be this watermark attached on the video. And let's try the second option, which is post to save without watermark. You can just tap on this, and now it will be posted, and you can save it to your gallery without the watermark. Okay, let's see on my gallery if there's the video downloaded. Okay, this is the second video, and as you guys can see, now there is no watermark attached on the second video. So if you want to download it without the watermark, you need to post it, but maybe you can post it privately so that your followers won't see it. And so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.